Stuck in ambition and I don't know what tomorrow holds, but I'ma jump right up in it. Yeah, Geronimo, yeah, Geronimo. Boy, like my God's in control, and I don't gotta fold my forehead in triplets. Let's just walk by faith and watch the promise come forth, because he meant it. I'm losing count of mistakes, I'm losing track of the wrongs. To come up is crazy, letting it go is a grace. I put my heart in a song and play it like David. Doesn't matter what I see no more.
Good morning, tribe. Welcome to another day. Daily vlog through Vlogtober. If you are new here, my name is Mare, and if you are returning, welcome back. I am at the doctor's office about to get a blood draw for in order to check my iron levels. It's been 2 months since my results came back that I was anemic, so I'm gonna get it checked today, and then I'm gonna go home and eat and go from there. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I was gonna say a great day, and then I crossed it with awesome. I hope you guys are having a great, awesome day. How y'all doing? How y'all kids doing? Good. I'll see y'all a little bit later. Bye.
Now listen, daughter. Pay attention, pray and listen. Hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar. They will haunt you, they will kill you. Keep you hostage, king will heal you. Before him, adore him. He will give you everything.
Hey you guys, I just left the doctor. Got my blood drawn. And then I went to Aldi. Picked up a few items I'll show you guys when we get home. And I am not in the best of mood. I think it's because I didn't have my McDonald's iced coffee today. But that's okay. I can have regular coffee when I get home. And I also just got off the phone with my son, further advising him of his role in this family and expectations that are set for him as an adult child living at home. We had some unexpected autumn expenses for him, and I just wanted to make my statement clear that he needed to pull his weight. So hopefully it doesn't fall on deaf ears. Alrighty, see you soon. Alright, so I got bananas, some crackers, some milk and kombucha. Yep, syrup. Apples. Here, John, you can put all this stuff away.
I want syrup for my waffles.
Here, I'm just... Okay, honey, I'll put some syrup on your waffles, honey. I'm sorry. Are you okay? Sorry, I stepped on your foot.
Okay, which? You, mom, me.
More milk.
I'm so crying.
Yep, you sure are, honey.
What is
some oranges.
this? Mom, what is this? What is this box?
Food. Some cherry tomatoes. Can you put your phone down? Dang, all the grapes then fell out the box because my son put the box in there sideways. Wait a minute, gotta get all these grapes out of here. Cucumbers. More apples.
On my waffles.
Just a minute, KJ.
You have to wait.
What are those?
They are grapes.
Who draws them?
It might not fit in there. If it doesn't, it can go out in the garage. Along with these. Actually put the chicken and the pork chops in the refrigerator. Wait a second, let's move some stuff. Hold on a second, let's move some stuff to make room. KJ, stop. That's enough. I said wait. All right, the meat. Actually put this in there as well. No, those go in the freezer. These two. You can't get back?
I miss you, Mom. I miss you, Mom. I miss you,
3 bags of beans
I miss you.
and about 7 or 8 bags of
I
rice.
miss you, Mom. I miss you, Mom. I miss you. I miss you, Mom. I miss you, Mom. I miss you, Mom. I miss you. I miss you. I miss you. Dad! Yes! Yes!
I have a headache. Just making a little bit of breakfast. Did you see it on the bookshelf? Yeah. Oh, okay. So you don't like the brown rice, right? Yeah. You do like it? Oh, I didn't know you liked the brown rice.
No, I don't like it. No. Not at all. My team might be top tier. Like, I was just playing around with this.
Oh, you not coming back no time soon?
Yeah, I'm going to
Okay. I appreciate it because your girl is in pain.
It's plus.
No, it's not this. This is not this. I don't care. No.
I am so sorry I didn't get to vlog much today. I have not been feeling well. I did get the results of my lab work and my iron is super low. It's number 6. And the normal range is 11 to 30. And I feel it in my lungs. It's hard for me to take deep breaths. I feel extremely tired and achy all over. And I am still just not feeling well. Feeling extremely under the weather. So, at any rate, I hope you guys had an awesome day. I'm going to end today's vlog a little bit early. I'm so sorry that I didn't get to vlog much, but I do have to finish my trial reading assignment for tonight and try to get some quality rest. I did take a nap today. I also cooked some chicken for the family. Everybody likes different sides, so I usually just make the meat and then they figure out what size they want because nobody likes the same thing. And then I had the shrimp and mixed vegetables for dinner. So yeah, I just feel lousy. So I'm gonna take a few and read my assignment. Then I'm gonna go to sleep. And as always, until we meet again, may his peace be with you and yours. God bless you. Good night.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go.